Let Ellingson's Sheet Metal Shop help keep your project on schedule. Our commercial and residential field experience allows us to fully understand your fabrication expectations. Increase productivity on your HVAC and mechanical installations. Outsource your sheet metal fabrication to free up your time so you can better focus on your customers. Ellingson's full-time fabricators will fulfill your order quickly and are well respected for the pride they take in their craftsmanship and accuracy of your finished product. We have established relationships with large suppliers, so we can offer you a variety of quality materials from galvanized, aluminum, stainless, and black steel. From start to finish, your custom project is completed in our 18,000 square foot facility, equipped with an HVAC automated plasma table, 4 and 5 foot duct coil lines, an automated duct insulator, 10-foot brakes and shears, MIG and TIG welders, and more. As one of Central Minnesota's most recognized sheet metal fabricators, we've worked hard the past 30 years to earn a reputation for quality fabrication with a quick turnaround. Give us a call. We're happy to help.